In this demonstration, MuggyWeld.com's 72 electrode is repairing an old, heat-affected cast iron exhaust manifold. We're at Ziegler's Welding in downtown Olympia, Washington, to show how easy it is to repair a so-called impossible cast iron repair. This manifold has extensive damage. The flange was broken off and tack welded in place. Most cast iron jobs aren't nearly as bad, but you will run into this from time to time, and when you do, make sure you have the 72, as most cast iron electrodes will just ball up and roll off while welding. Maintain a close arc and weld no more than an inch at a time. Preheating the cast iron to a couple hundred degrees Fahrenheit will remove the moisture in the weld area. Heating will also help the weld to cool slower, which is imperative in welding cast iron. Peening the weld immediately after will help the weld stretch and relieve the stress between the cast and the filler rod. If cracks develop on the cool down, our 77 electrode is a popular choice to weld over top of the 72. Both rods can be used as a TIG rod. Soak the rods in a bucket of water for 5 minutes to remove the coating for TIG welding. MuggyWeld 72 can anchor into dirty, oil-soaked cast iron as well as heat-affected cast like wood stoves and oven grates. Brandon, the welder, is closing a hole or bridging a gap with the 72. This electrode can weld cast iron to steel if need be. Another great attribute to the 72 is it's an all-position rod. Maintenance welding isn't always located in the desired position. It helps if the rod is working with you and not against you. Always work in a well-ventilated area. Do not breathe fumes. Use only with adequate ventilation, such as fume collectors, ventilators, or NIOSH approved respirators. Adhere to all AWS welding safety guidelines.
There it is. Cool. Ready for machining.
You saw how it started, and this is how it finished. Another successful repair using the 72 arc electrode.
Brandon Harvey, former Ziegler's Welding. We machined that one all the way. No cracking under your surface. A lot of times you'll end up, I don't think you're going to have a problem with it. I'll keep using it to fix manifolds and cast parts. Okay. It seems to work just fine. Excellent. It works better than my UTP we use and all that stuff. So.
MuggyWeld would like to thank Brandon, Chad, and the guys at Ziegler's Welding for spending time with us. If you're in Western Washington, there's nothing too big or small for these guys. Or if you just want to fix your own cast iron, get a hold of MuggyWeld.com for the 72 arc rod.